A single grounding rod is to the power of 10. A grounding rod or earthing rod is a rod that is driven into the ground to provide an electrical connection to the ground. They effectively and safely carry current away from a circuit in the event of an electrical surge or lightning strike. As original patent holder for ChemRod grounding rod, LEC is a trailblazer in grounding solutions. Our product has become a grounding protection standard. Our ChemRod provides permanent soil treatment solution for a low-impedance ground. It comprises of a hollow copper rod which is filled with an electrolytic salt mixture. The rod derives moisture from the soil and atmosphere and utilizes the moisture to slowly dissolve the electrolytic in the rod, creating a conductive rooting effect. This provides an ever-increasing lower resistant ground in any type of soil. It solves problems of conventional grounding rods with excellent resistance to ground, high corrosion resistance, increased resistance to ground over time, has a life expectancy of 30 to 50 years, requires less real estate for installation. To meet specified resistance, fewer electrodes. Our LEC earthing solutions also include Smart Ground Testing Service. This provides an advanced ground audit system producing highly accurate results. It includes computer modeling, a complete professional analysis, and practical recommendations. LEC Weld. This is an easy and efficient field welding system, requiring no outside power source for lightning safety installations. Compared to competitive products, LEC Weld forms a solid copper bond that does not loosen or corrode throughout the life of the structure. Grounding Augmentation Fill, GAF. This is specially formulated by Lightning Eliminators to help create a low-resistance earth interface, making it easier and less expensive to prevent lightning damage. The Chem Grounding Rod by LEC is designed for use in any type of soil condition. Some of the many applications where it is commonly used include cellular, radio and television broadcasting sites, computer facilities, power stations, communication centers, medical facilities, and industrial plants. Many industries have benefited from the superior results achieved by our patented Chem Grounding rods. Grounding rod protection systems can prevent dangerous accidents that may occur due to short circuits or very high voltage from a lightning strike. Contact us, Lightning Eliminator and Consultants Incorporated, today and get a lightning protection system properly installed. Contact details. Address, 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email, info@lecglobal.com. Website, www.lightningprotection.com. Contact number, 303-447-2828. LinkedIn, www.linkedin.com web link. Facebook, www.facebook.com web link.